Well, sometimes we want to be able to find the area of a triangle. Okay, so let's have a triangle. And I'm going to go alpha, beta, gamma, and A, B, C. Okay. And you might say, hey, I know how to find the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle, and I'll just use that for triangle, is 1/2 the base times the height. Like somewhere in your past algebra, they taught you that. So let's go ahead and draw the height in. And that makes a right angle right there. Okay, so this would be H. Well, if you don't know what H is, you can still find the area of the triangle. Let's say that we know this angle here, alpha. Well, then H is going to equal, you know what, let me write out the trig for you. Oops. Let me write out the trig for you. The sine of alpha would equal H over C, right? So H would equal C sine alpha. Okay, now we're assuming that we know things like the sides of the triangle or the angles. So we're assuming they give us either this or this or this, and they're telling us this or this or this, okay, to find the area that we don't know the height. Well, then now our formula becomes the area of the triangle equals 1/2 B, some side at the base, you know, and for our example, we're using this as the base, and then H. H, though, we just have that C sine alpha. And so that becomes a formula. Well, now you might be saying, well, what if they don't tell me B and C and they don't tell me alpha? Well, that's okay. We have other formulas, and they just look like this. It could be 1/2 AC sine beta, or the other one is 1/2 AB sine gamma. So those are the three formulas. My first one kind of looks funny, but it's 1/2 BC sine alpha. So depending on the angle they give you, so you have to assume they're going to give you an angle and two sides, that you can find the area of a triangle. Okay? And the way I remember it is, if alpha is the angle, then it's the other two sides, not A. And if beta is the angle, then it's the other two sides, not B. And if gamma is the angle, then it's the other two sides that you need, not C. That's how I remember the formulas.